My name is Korey, and this is my electric motorcycle, and I will be showing you how to ride one, and there will be two other instructors too. So first, you should check your brake, and then we're gonna start to get to the ride.
Are you videotaping him on YouTube?
Are
What?
you videotaping him on YouTube?
It might be.
Then you should always keep, here's a few tips. You should always wear a helmet, pads, and stuff. Well, because I'm not, because I actually know how to do it. And there's one of the instructors. He's kind of... Instructor, stepdad.
Yeah.
And you should always keep your balance. Hey, what's up? You can't even do a bunny hop. Let's get that.